Hello and welcome to our channel. Today's question is from Math Olympiad. The question is, if a plus b equals 1, a square plus b square is equal to 2, then what is the value of a raised to power 11 plus b raised to power 11? So let us see how to solve this question. But before I start solving this question, let me tell you, we conduct online classes for K-12, mathematics, physics and chemistry, test prep like SAT, ACT, GRE, GMAT, Math Count, Math Olympiad and MOEMS. Here is our website, math.scitutors.in, and our email. If you want to enroll for any of these courses for online classes, you can contact us through our website or email. I have also provided link in the comment section. Now coming to the question, we have a plus b equals 1 and a square plus b square equals 2, and then we are to find out a raised to power 11 plus b raised to power 11. As we are given a plus b equals 1, so squaring both sides we get a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to 1 square, that is 1. Now from here you can see a square plus b square is 2, so we can write for a square plus b square, that you can see here, we can write 2 plus 2ab equal to 1, and therefore 2ab equal to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. Hence ab equals to negative 1 by 2. This is our value of ab. I will write this value here because we will require this in coming steps. So our value for AB is negative 1 by 2. Now we will find a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, as you know, is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Now a plus b, as you know, is 1, so you can write in the left hand side 1 cube, which is equal to 1, and a cube plus b cube we have to find out, so I leave it as it is. But we already know 3 times ab is negative half and a plus b is 1. So finally what we get, a cube plus b cube and minus 3 by 2. If you solve this part, you will get minus 3 by 2. So a cube plus b cube, finally we get 1 plus 3 by 2, which is 2 times 1, 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. A cube plus b cube, we have got 5 by 2. I hope everything is clear so far. This is 5 by 2. In the previous slide, we got the value of a cube plus b cube equals to 5 by 2, as you can see here. So now we will square it. So a cube plus b cube whole square will be 5 by 2 whole square, that is 25 by 4. Now left hand side we can write a raised to power 6 plus b raised to power 6 plus 2 times a cube b cube, which is equal to 25 by 4. Now for 2 times a cube plus b cube, we got earlier ab equals to negative 1 by 2. So ab is minus 1 by 2 and whole cube will be a cube b cube, and 2 times here. This is 25 by 4, and we have to find a6 and b6, a6 plus b6. So a6 plus b6 will be 25 by 4, and this is how much? 1 by 8 times 2 is 1 by 4. 2 times 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8. 2 times minus 1 by 8 is minus 1 by 4, which is equal to, so there is a slight mistake here. Minus 1 by 4 is in the left hand side, so when it goes to right hand side it becomes 1 by 4, and when you add it, it is 26 by 4. So we finally got a raised to power 6 plus b raised to power 6 equals to 26 by 4. Now our next step will be to find the product of a cube plus b cube times a square plus b square. So we will multiply these, a cube times a square, that will give us a raised to power 5. I can straight away write a raised to power 5 and then a cube and b square plus a cube b square plus b raised to power 5 and plus b cube a square. So a raised to power 5 plus b raised to power 5 we can write separately, as we have to find the value of a raised to power 5 plus b raised to power 5, and a cube b square and b cube a square. We can take common a square b square from these two terms, this and this. So we are left with a, and here we are left with b. Now in here we have a cube plus b cube, we got 5 by 2. So write in the right hand side 5 by 2, and a square plus b square we got 2. So in the right hand side for a square plus b square we have to write 2, which finally gives us, this time 5 by 2 times 2 gives us 5. So we will write this equal to 5, this equal to 5, and AB, as we already know, a square b square, this has to be a b raised to power 5. So b raised to power 5, we got here a square plus b, a square times b square. So AB we got negative half, so negative half square will be 1 by 4, and a plus b is given 1. So we will write here a plus b is equal to 1, and then we will multiply this, so we are getting 1 by 4. So a5 plus b5 will be 5 minus 1 by 4. We can write what we got here, a5 plus b5 will be 5 minus 1 by 4. This is 5 and this is 1 by 4. So ultimately the value of a5 plus b5 I have written here 5 minus 1 by 4, that is 19 by 4. 5 times 4, 20 minus 1, 19 by 4. That is the value of A5 plus B5. Now last and final step, we will multiply a raised to power 6 plus b raised to power 6 and a raised to power 5 plus b raised to power 5, because we have to find a raised to power 11 plus b raised to power 11. So we got this as 26 by 4 and this as 19 by 4 in our previous slide. So let us multiply the left hand side. So a raised to power 6 and a raised to power 5 gives us a raised to power 11 plus a raised to power 6 b raised to power 5 plus b raised to power 6 a raised to power 5 plus b raised to power 11, and this is 26 times 19 by 16, which is 494. 26 times 19 is 494 by 16. Now this part, a raised to power 11 plus b raised to power 11, we can separate out, and here for these terms I can take away a raised to power 5 times b raised to power 5, and here I can write a plus b. So a raised to power 6, b raised to power 5, and b raised to power 6 and times a raised to power 5. So ultimately this is this value I have written here, and now you plug in the values of a, b. a, b, you remember I got earlier 1 by 2 raised to power 5, and a plus b is 1. So a11 plus b raised to power 11 will be, we will subtract, let me rewrite it, and then 1 by 32 minus 1 by 32, this is negative, so it will be minus 1 by 32. 1 by 2 raised to power 5 will be minus 1 by 32, which when brought to this side will become plus 1 by 32. So 494 by 16 plus 1 by 32, 1 by 32, and that gives us 32. 494 times 2 is 8, 9 2s are 18, 1, 968 plus 1, that is 969 by 32. 16 times 16, we divide 32 by 16, we get 2, and 494 times 2 is 4 2s are 8, 9 2s are 18, 4 2s are 8, and 1 9, 988, sorry, 980, so it will be 989 by 32. So a is 11 plus b 11, finally we get 989 by 32. That is what our answer. So I am just summing up what I did actually in this question, what were my steps. A plus b was given 1 and ab was given half, negative half. We found out a square, b square, a square plus b square. Then we found out a cube plus b cube using this, a plus b equal to 1 and ab is negative half. Then I squared it and got this, and finally a cube plus b cube and a square plus b square gave us a5 plus b5, and in the last step I multiplied a6 plus b6 times a5 plus b5 to get the answer. Hope my explanation so far was clear to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.